All right, now I'm going to give you a topic, and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to prepare what you're going to say. You can make some notes if you wish. Describe a person you admire.
If I were to pick one individual who has left an indelible mark on my life, it would undoubtedly be a former mentor of mine, Dr. Eris. I first crossed paths with him during a particularly transformative period of my life when I was struggling to find my professional footing. He wasn't just an educator, he was a paragon of resilience. What sets him apart is his unwavering commitment to ethical practice. He possesses this uncanny ability to dissect complex problems with surgical precision, yet he remains incredibly approachable. I recall a time when he spent hours coaching me through a failed project. Instead of being dismissive, he treated my mistake as a necessary pivot. He has this commanding presence in a room, not because he's loud, but because his words carry so much intellectual weight. Reflecting on it now, his influence has been a cornerstone of my own professional philosophy. He taught me that success isn't merely about personal accolades, but about the integrity you maintain when no one is watching. Ultimately, he represents the kind of quiet leader I aspire to become, someone whose actions speak far louder than their words.